The Larson Electronics power distribution disconnect switch is designed for reliable, safe, and convenient power distribution at industrial work sites. This fused disconnect includes 300 amp 480 volt rated fast-acting fuses. Designed for wall mounting installations, this disconnect switch is protected by a NEMA 3R rated 304 stainless steel enclosure with a ventilated design. This disconnect switch provides a safe and reliable way for operators in industrial settings to tap into and utilize power sources independently of the work area. Compatible with 3-phase 480 volt AC delta or Y, the disconnect switch features a manual operating handle. The switchgear comes with and accepts 300 amp 480 volt fast rated acting fuses. An insulated groundable neutral kit with bond strap is included for neutral connections. The dead front disconnect switch features a locking door. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.